So Tom, what do we got down here?
Now I know I said it was just storage, but believe it or not, we have one more cart in the shop. Let me show you. It's a little different than the other carts. Hold on a second. So I call this guy the Job Buddy, and it's inspired by actual construction techniques. We'll typically build something like this on a job site when we're doing something at an awkward height, like let's just say wainscoting, and we're doing a lot of it, or base molding. Anything where you're gonna be bending over or on your knees or something at an awkward position. This way you could put all your tools on it, screws, everything you're doing for that specific job, and take it with you. Typically we'll make them basic and disposable.
Yeah,
I mean,
this does not look disposable. This looks super high end.
it does look super high end, but it's not. It's made of basic construction materials. So it's plywood, it's faced in pine, and I've got some metal details on it. That's it. It's basically a plywood box that's dressed up.
Wow, this is a really nice detail. I love how it'll protect the corners, but what do you got going on here?
That's a good point. So this metal angle, it's not just decorative and it's not for durability. What it's for is we were talking about bending over and working at awkward positions. As anybody who knows who's wearing a tool belt, when you bend over or just sitting in one, it's really uncomfortable. So this becomes your tool belt. You're taking your tool belt off. These are for clipping your tools on. So it's like your belt. So you can clip all your pouches on here, you can clip your tools on here, you can clip your tape measure on here, anything you want. This is a little magnet tray, so you take the screws out of your pouch, throw them on here, and again, the whole purpose is everything's coming with you. So this is it's your buddy, it's your extra set of hands. And on top of that, check this out, more storage.
Well, with the little screens on the front, you could even put your stereo and speaker in there.
That's kind of what I thought when I designed the screens in this, because I would probably put my phone in there and I'd like to hear it ring. I mean, look, we're trying to add the fun. It works with the work PlayStation, so I had always imagined, it's sliding in there, so it's got to have a little fun in it. And on top of that, this becomes your chair. So you're sitting on the bench watching the TV. It's the buddy, it's your extra set of hands, and my favorite part is, just like everything so far, it slides away and tucks away, so it's not in the middle of our shop. Disappears, and when we need it, we just bring them back out and use them. So
I love it. Everybody needs a buddy.
Agreed, everybody needs a buddy.